So we've all been taught that saving money is a good thing, right? It's responsible, it's prudent, it's grown up. But what if I told you that this mindset could actually be holding you back from achieving true financial freedom? Welcome to Forever Finance, where we want to live our lives our own way. I know it sounds counterintuitive, but hear me out. When you save money, you're basically putting it into a savings account or under your mattress or wherever, and it's just sitting there. It's not doing anything for you. It's not growing. It's not compounding. It's not generating any returns. And yeah, it's safe, but is it really worth it? We're taught that saving is the key to financial success, but what if that's not entirely true? What if there are other ways to achieve financial success that don't involve hoarding cash? I'm not saying that saving is bad, of course. It's important to have an emergency fund, to have some cash set aside for a rainy day. But what I am saying is that if you're only focused on saving, you're missing out on so many opportunities. Let's dive deeper into this idea that saving is the key to financial success. We've all been told that if we can just save enough, we'll be set. We'll be able to retire early, we'll be able to travel, we'll be able to do all the things we want to do, but is that really true? Has the environment of today changed so much from previous generations who tried to achieve financial freedom? It is that change of modern environment that has caused part of the issue. A big part of the problem is that we're so focused on the short-term benefits of saving. We save because we're afraid of the unknown. We save because we're afraid of not having enough. But what about the long-term costs of saving? What about the opportunities we're missing out on because we're too busy hoarding cash? When we hoard cash, we miss out on opportunities to have that money make more money. It is this lost opportunity cost that is the greatest risk cash hoarders face. But what is this opportunity cost, and why does it make saving cash a bad thing? If you save $1,000, it will always be $1,000. By saving cash and not putting it to work for you, you miss out on the opportunity for extra money to be gained from the cash working for you. We're taught that saving is responsible, but what if it's actually irresponsible to only focus on saving? What if we're sacrificing our future financial freedom for the sake of short-term security? The truth is, most people who are wealthy didn't get that way by saving money. They got that way by investing, by taking risks, by building businesses, and creating wealth. So why are we so focused on saving? It's because we're afraid. We're afraid of losing money. We're afraid of taking risks. We're afraid of the unknown. Little do most people know, but we are losing money every day that it is not working for us and making more money. Inflation is the silent wealth destroyer that steals the value of our cash away from us. But I hear you saying, my $100 is always going to be worth $100. And that is true. But thanks to inflation, that $100 will not always have the purchasing power of $100. As the years progress, your $100 will be able to buy less and less. With an average inflation rate of 3%, in just 10 years, your $100 will only be able to purchase $80 worth of goods in today's money. What if we could start thinking about money in a different way? Let's talk about the psychology of saving versus investing. When you save money, you're essentially saying that you're not confident in your ability to make more money in the future. You're saying that you're not confident in your ability to take risks and make smart investments. On the other hand, when you invest, you're saying that you believe in yourself. You're saying that you believe in your ability to make smart decisions and to create wealth. There are many people who are stuck in this mindset of saving, 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 without ever thinking about the long-term costs. They're sacrificing their financial freedom, they're sacrificing their opportunities, all because they're too afraid to take risks. But what if we could flip this script? What if we could start thinking about money in a different way? What if we could start thinking about investing as the key to financial freedom rather than saving? The truth is, investing is what will set you free. Investing is what will allow you to live the life you want, to travel, to pursue your passions, to give back to your community. Saving might give you short-term security, but investing will give you long-term freedom. But what is it about investing that gives us this long-term freedom? Why is it so much better than saving money? In one word, compounding. We could do an entire video on what compounding is and how it works. But the basics of it is this. When you invest your money, it earns interest. With simple interest, you will only ever earn interest on your original investment. The power of compounding comes from the fact that you gain interest not only on your original investment, but also on the interest you have earned. Still confused? Don't worry. This example will highlight the true power of compounding when compared to saving cash. Let's say you had managed to get $10,000. The first option is that you put this cash in the bank. If you are lucky, you might earn enough interest to keep you 1% above inflation. After 10 years, your money will only be worth just over $11,000. But saving cash isn't our only option. The second option is you could invest this $10,000. Let's use an average return of 8% from the ASX. After 10 years of compounding, our $10,000 is now worth over $21,000. Do you still think savings are the path to your financial success? Even the government believes in investing compared to saving cash. The government offers many tax benefits to investors that will help us get closer to achieving our financial goals quicker. Meanwhile, saving cash is given the same treatment as a regular income. I can already hear some of you getting bored with the talk of tax. So, let's show how this helps us. Let's say your cash savings earned $1,000 interest this year. For most of us, we would need to pay $325 tax on this money even before we got it. But with investing, the government offers tax discounts, deduction, and other benefits that not only reduce the amount of tax we legally have to pay, but can increase our income at tax time. There are many reasons why the age-old saying of saving money is the key to wealth is not the truth it once was. Not focusing on saving cash is only one of the small changes that we need to make to be successful in our financial journeys. Check out this video to learn more about these small changes you need to make.